Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series about circles. No? And from the previous video, ang pinag-aralan natin was about the different terminologies na related sa circle. No? Yung pinag-aralan natin kung ano ba yung radius, kung ano ba yung diameter, kung ano ba yung chord. No? And we also defined those terms. No? So in this video, ang gagawin natin is we will continue with some terms, no? And kung makikita ninyo dito, we have a circle. We have circle O. And we have two lines, lines MN and lines PQ, no? Nagpa-pass through sila sa circle, but yung MN, nagpa-pass through siya sa dalawang points, while yung PQ ay nagpa-pass through lang siya sa isang point, no? So first observation is that 1 MN, no, segment MN, is actually a chord, no? Chord of circle O. So pag sinabi nating chord, ibig sabihin nun ay, from the previous video, ay a segment connecting two points. So if we only consider this segment, no, from here to here, then we can say that MN is actually a segment or a chord of circle O. Yung segment lang na to. Second, the line, no? Line MN contains the segment MN, no? By the way, pareho sila, but when I'm talking about line MN, I'm talking about the entire line, no? Not only the segment. So nako-contain nung line na yon ang chord. At may special tayo na tawag sa ano na yan, no? Sa line na yan, no? So a line that contains a chord of the circle is a secant. A line that contains a chord of the circle is a secant. Secant ang pronunciation yan. So yeah, so we can say that line MN is actually a secant line. So line MN is a secant line. Okay? So anong pagkakaiba nitong symbol na to, yung bar dito tsaka yung dalawang arrow? So this is a line. This is a symbol for line. So pag nilagay mo yan sa taas nung dalawang letters, meaning you are talking about the entire line. But here, if you put this bar above two letters, meaning you're only talking about this. You're only talking about this segment. So from here to here lang. Dito. So chord siya kasi, sabi natin sa previous video, ang chord ay ang segment that connects two points on the circle. So this is chord MN, this is segment MN, and this is also line MN. Okay, so I think malinaw naman ang pagkakaiba ng chord at saka secant. Now, ito naman, this is another line, PQ, is a line passing through a point on the circle. So, actually, ang PQ, ang tawag natin sa kanya ay tangent, no? Tangent line. So, ang line, no? A line in the plane, a line on the plane of the circle, no? That intersects the circle at exactly one point, no? Is a tangent to the circle. Okay? So here, PQ is actually a tangent to circle PQ, siguro dito tayo na lang sa taas, medyo wala tayong space kasi meron pa tayong i-discuss sa baba. So here, PQ, line PQ is tangent to circle O at point A. So tangent siya at point A. And point A, kung saan nag-intersect yung tangent saka yung circle, is called the point of tangency. Okay, so nag-agree yung butike, no? Okay, yung susunod na term, I think we're okay with the tangent. So PQ is a tangent line. And here we have two more terms, yung relationship ng circle sa mga polygons, no? So if a polygon is inside, if the vertices of a polygon, if all its vertices are on a circle, no? At nasa loob yung polygon, ang tawag natin sa kanya ay inscribed polygon. So an inscribed or bahin na lang natin yung definition. A polygon is inscribed in a circle if all of its vertices are on the circle. So dapat lahat, no? Dapat wag natin kalimutan tong condition na to, dapat all. So lahat ng vertices dapat ng polygon ay nandoon sa circle. So here in our example, we have STUV, quadrilateral STUV is inscribed, no? Or is an inscribed polygon from the figure is an inscribed polygon. At ang last natin is, no? Kung ang circle naman ay nasa loob ng polygon at lahat ng sides ng polygon nagtatouch dun sa circle or tangent dun sa circle, then ang tawag naman natin sa kanya ay inscribed or circumscribed polygon. So a polygon is circumscribed if hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo yung ulan, but umuulan sa labas. About a polygon is circumscribed about a circle if each of its sides is tangent to the circle. So, makikita nyo, lahat ng sides ng polygon dito ay tangent siya dun sa circle. Tatlo lang naman yung sides ng triangle. So, therefore, FGH is a circumscribed polygon. Okay? So, I think that's it. Yung ating uh, discussion about the different terminologies related to circles. No, I hope meron kayo natutunan. You have to study them because we are going to use them in the next discussions. Sa mga susunod na mga discussions natin in the next videos, we are going to use those terms. No, so radius, we have diameter, we have chords, we have center, circle, we have the secant and the tangent, point of tangency. So dapat medyo familiar kayo dyan para hindi kayo mahirapan sa mga sunod natin na discussions. So I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Gusto ko yung invite sa sipnayan.com, yung ating website. At of course, kung kayo ay nanonood sa YouTube, pwede kayo mag-subscribe sa ating channel sa youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. At of course, you can like our Facebook page sa facebook.com/sipnayanph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.